Tonight on Customer States, we dive into the realm of the worst mechanical nightmares. This customer brought their LS engine swapped car in for a tune, forgetting to mention that the car does not start or run, and that they swapped it with an engine wiring loom for another car, and nothing connects or works.
Y'all please gotta stop using your buddy who can do it for less. Not even hooking up the map sensor, just taping up stuff because they bought the wrong harness. Probably some Amazon shit. Don't run. In for a tune. Won't start though. ECU's got no power because whoever wired it did a fantastic job. So anyways, you get what you pay for, guys.
This mechanic ordered a new head gasket on Amazon and was shocked when it came. The mail bent from shipping. Would you risk installing this gasket or order another one? This customer brought their ant farm in for a service and was confused when the mechanics asked if they wanted anything done to their vehicle. Would you get inside this car? This customer brought their vehicle in stating that they had just installed rotors and brake pads, securing them with Gorilla Glue, and were confused why the car was making noises when braking. This customer brought their vehicle in after a new clutch 10,000 miles ago, stating that the new clutch only works during redline. The mechanics suggest the customer purchase an automatic instead of riding the clutch. This customer brought in their vehicle stating there was a popping noise when shifting gears.
I believe that is our problem. Oh my goodness.
I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more mechanical nightmares.